Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade custard powder, an easy and rewarding kitchen project. You'll be surprised at how simple it is to create this versatile ingredient right in your own home. We'll start by gathering just a few basic items, like cornstarch, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla. Making your own ensures you know exactly what goes into your food, and it's often more economical too. Now let's get to the mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and combine your measured cornstarch, powdered sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. It's crucial to whisk these dry ingredients together very thoroughly. This step ensures there are no lumps and that everything is evenly distributed. For that classic yellow custard color, you can also add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is completely optional but gives a lovely hue. To enhance the flavor, you can now mix in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, or if you prefer, a few drops of vanilla extract. Once your custard powder is perfectly blended, it's time for proper storage. Transfer it into an airtight container, like a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Keep it in a cool, dry pantry, and it will stay fresh and ready to use for up to 3 months, ensuring delicious desserts anytime. Finally, let's talk about how to use your wonderful homemade custard powder. For a rich and creamy custard, I recommend using about 2 tablespoons of your powder for every 1 cup of milk. First, mix the powder with a small amount of cold milk to form a smooth paste, preventing lumps. Then, gradually whisk this into hot milk and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to your desired consistency. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.